Hi friends, this week we will not have a live teacher center, so you're going to do some independent reading. The first thing we're going to do is make sure we're in present mode. So if you're not already, you're going to click present, and then your mode will change. Now we see our teacher center slide, then you're going to click to the next slide and you'll see the title of our story. I Can Read Level A, The Zoo. Now when you click through, it'll read with you. I see the alligator. Do you see the yellow dots coming up? Just like we do in class, friends, we're going to say one word at a time. I see the monkey. Okay, boys and girls, you're going to do the rest on your own, and you're practicing taking your time and reading the sight words. You can read through this book as many times as you would like and then go on to your next center. Okay, boys and girls, Mrs. Newlands and I will see you back soon.